Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to show you how to do a very simple smoky liner. I have already prepared my skin. I'm going to use this foundation, Catrice. This is called True Skin. I have prepared my skin before using the foundation. I have used my moisturizing cream and my sunscreen. My skin at the moment is really dry. I have to use a lot of moisturizing cream. Now I'm going to correct with this concealer. This is called Dorian concealer in shade 01. With the same brush from the foundation, I'm going to spread the concealer. Good. Now I'm going to set up my makeup foundation with a bit of powder. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This one. You know the packaging. And I'm using this brush from Real Techniques. But if you can see, I'm only powdering the center of my face. It's where I get more oily. Okay, good. Now I'm going to take the this Film Star Bronze Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight in Fair Medium, and I'm going to do a small contouring. I'm going to use the bronzing powder, and I'm going to do a bit of contouring on my face. I do it because I want to set the concealer. Okay, good. I already told you that I'm going to do a smoky liner. For that I'm going to use this tattoo liner from Maybelline. The color of this eye pencil is brown. Okay, so this is perfect for my look for today. But before that, I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer on my lids. Now I'm going to take the tattoo liner, as I told you before, and I'm going to underline my waterline from here. Well, no, I don't know if it's underline. I think it's lining inside. Now I'm going to take this and go as near as I can on my lash line, okay? As near as I can on my lash line. Can you see? Let's do the other one. I have to be Now I'm going to take quickly this kind of brush and smudge it. Okay, let's do the other one. Be careful. Good. Now, as you can see, I have my eyes now. I'm going to take this and try to do like a flick line. The problem is that I cannot see, I don't have a lot of light here in this room, so if you see any mistakes, so please forgive me. Yes, okay, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to use Monsieur Big, the same one from Lancôme. I always use this one, but today I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to use this one, and therefore on top I'm going to use another one, and I will explain why. Inside, on the bottom lash of my lash line, I'm going to use MAC Studio, this chromographic pencil. I use it because I want to waken up my eyes. And I have told you that I'm going to use another mascara on top of this one. And this one is called I Love Extreme from Essence. I'm going to do my brows. Let's see my brows. And today I'm going to use a brand new called Brow Setter, 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Oh! I almost dropped it. And this is like a glue, guys. This is a glue. I go on top, and after that, with my hands, I'm going to do this to have more feathery eyebrows. My eyebrows are quite bold. On top. Okay, now I'm going to take Brow Blade from Urban Decay, and I'm going to fill up all my gaps. Now that I have finished my brows, I'm going to take a bit of bronzer and put it here. And the highlighter here. I'm using from Charlotte Tilbury this small Film Star Bronze and Glow. And of course I'm going to do my blush, and I'm going to use Milk Makeup, this one, and the shade is Werk, or Werk, I don't know. This is Lips Antique Formula, so let's see. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, not directly, and with my fingers I'm going to do this. This reminds me of Kiko blush cream. Like it? It's quite nice. Now I'm going to go on top with this blush from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to use a Sephora blush brush, and I go on top. I love a very good blush, and I think this is going to last me all day. Yes, and now I'm going to put a bit of lip balm on my lips. And I'm going to use Milk again for my lips, because it's for your lips as well. Well, it's not very well pigmented, so I don't know if it's a good idea. I think I'm going to go on top with another lipstick. I prefer it on my cheeks, not on my lips, okay? So I'm going to take Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. The highlighter was the last thing I wanted to do. And I'm going to use this brow blade for my I have finished this look, and I have enjoyed it a lot. I hope you have enjoyed the same as me. And this is the final result. Please tell me in the comments if you like this type of eyeliner, because I think it's one of the quickest one and simple to do, and I think it's very nice for a everyday makeup tutorial. I think that you can wear it at work, at school, or maybe if you are going to have a coffee with your friends, or I don't know, you go out. I think it's an effortless makeup, and yes, I like it. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon in my next tutorial. You can find me on my social media. I'm going to put here in the description box all the products that I have used, and thank you again, and see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.